Welcome again to another episode of The Consistency Queen. My name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum to two beautiful children, and I have a global coaching business, which I started in 2021. We've since achieved $1 million, and I'm now on a mission to impact over 1 million women. And today I've got a mini training. It's absolutely going to blow your mind. And now listen to me. I help high-performing women to amplify their income, expand their influence and impact from vision to brand. And if this is you, you're a high-performing woman and you want to expand your influence and your income, this mini training is for you. I'm doing this because I want to be able to provide as much value to my audience. And so before I begin, I just want to say you can always go and subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and also leave me a 5-star review on my Apple and Spotify as well. If you want to go ahead and start the application process to work with me, you can always go to hangwiththequeen.com and start filling in your details and see if we are a fit, if this is going to be a fit for you. But today I want to talk to you about how you can connect with your avatar. This is really important because there are so many social media gurus out there that tell you about, the next level thing or this current strategy. And whilst that all works, what has been tried and tested is about really making sure that you speak to that former version that you once were. And this is really important, especially if you're wanting to build a legacy business, multiple 6, 7-figure, 8-figure business. You want to constantly be speaking to your audience, not for just the now, but for always in the future. And when I'm speaking with my coaching clients and we're going through strategy, I always make sure that they go back and they reconnect with their avatar. Are your posts, are your social media posts, is your content speaking to who you want to serve? This is really, really important. So, and I'm going to share with you 3 tips that you need to take into account to establish connection and also strengthen the connection with your avatar. Okay, so number 1, I want you to think about your results to date. Like, what are the things that you have achieved? And I want you to list them all down, all the things that you've achieved, all the extraordinary things that you've done, like mini wins along the way. And then I want you to be able to establish how you're going to communicate that on social media, how you're going to show how you achieved every single one of those little wins and big wins as well. Because what you want to do is show your avatar how they can, move forward to achieve every single one. Now, you're not going to do them all, one after the other. You're going to spread this over time. But what you want to do is take your avatar on this journey from where you were to where you are right now. You see, your avatar sees the potential in you in the sense that I want to be just like you. When they're reading your posts, when they're listening to you, they're saying, I want to be there. So take them there, but take them there step by step. And the way that you do that is you don't go, hey, I was there and you can be here now. No, because in their mind, they can't see past tomorrow. What they want to do is like, what are the steps to get there? So break down all your achievements, regardless how big and small, and then talk through what it took to get every single one. So you are showing them that by step, you have been able to build up this, this mastery in your skill set and also longevity to help you to get there. Okay. So it's really important that you show that it's not going to be from there to here. It's going to be, you're going to get a win here and you're going to get a win here and you're going to get a win here. And so that is how not only do you speak to your avatar, but you're also going to strengthen the connection because they'll start seeing how they need to move from where they are right now. And whilst you're on there, I would highly recommend that you speak to where they want to go versus in their pain point. Because a lot of people make the mistake that they just talk about pain points, thinking that their avatar is going to move from where they are. In fact, most people don't want to move from their pain point and want to entertain their pain. What you need to be doing is seeing and showing them the potential of where they could be if they just take that first step. And that's what you need to be doing and casting that vision in their mind so they see it in their mind and they start believing the possibility by you showing them how you actually got there. Number 2, think about the things that you love. Like I have my branding framework, which is my basic branding framework, which I have done even today, called the Power of Five. And the reason why I do this is because the stats show, like Meta shared with us last year, that over 80% of people value connection as part of their buying process. So if they're going to be buying from you online, they want to know who you are. They want to know you and like you and trust you. And how do you establish that? Through sharing things that make up you, that make you, right? And the way that you do that is you share things that are most important to you. So my Power of Five is talking about the 5 things that make up you. Now, it could be family, it could be faith, it could be projects that you like working on, it could be things that you're good at, it could be sports, it could be just you bumming around with friends, or, reading, or whatever it is, gardening. But what you want to do is you want to show people that you are human, and you get to do all these things as well as building this incredible business. Okay. And that is the reason why I say to people, like, you do the Power of Five. So it's one post every single day across all different things, like the 5 things. And the reason why you show that is because you want people to know that they can build this legacy business around their family, that they don't need to lose their values. They can keep their faith and keep being strong in their faith, that they can keep doing their projects that they love doing, or they can keep pursuing things that they're really good at, because this is the life that you're creating. So you want to, again, show them the potential of the possibilities by you showing who you are. And not only will you have connection through similar sort of things, which is, the first foundation is, having some sort of relatability, but you're also showing them, like, wow, like, you get to, like, butcher life, like, pursue your business and be you and create the life and build it around your family. So it's really important that you show up as authentic as you. And I know people are going to roll their eyes and say, there she goes again with authenticity. Honestly, you are perfect as you are. You are brilliant as you are. You are enough as you are. So the more that you show up as you, the more that your people will show up. And the more that those that are not resonating with you will also, be showing up in a different way, meaning they'll be exiting out. And so what if you get a hater or two? I literally say, thank you, God, for showing me that this person is not going to be part of my journey, because now I can laser in on the people that are ready and need me to help them, to show them the way. So for me, my branding framework not only gives people the guidance to be able to show up, to establish their connection, but you're not going to just be left wondering of how to show up or what to do or what to say. Okay, so that's really important. And then number 3, I want you to think about yourself as someone of value. Okay, I want you to think about how your message, what it is that you want to do, what it is that, in terms of your vision, how you want to impact people, why you're actually doing this. Why are you actually building your business? Why do you care so much about wanting to help your avatar? Why is it that it gets to be you, and why not somebody else? And by you sharing value, so that, not only are you sharing your message, but you're sharing how you actually did things and all the things that you've overcome and things that you've had to adopt and habits that you've had to embody, then you're showing them that you are someone that is committed to the process, that this is not just, hey, I'm just wanting to line my pockets. I'm someone that genuinely cares about helping people to win. So I hope you had value in this quick training for you. And let me tell you, if you like this kind of content, I cannot believe that I'm doing this, but I've actually got a red hot offer on my premium product, my premium coaching program, where I literally game plan with my ladies, with my coaching clients, on all areas of your life, not just on strategy in your business, not just on, goal planning on, the numbers, but I actually take you through and show you how you become that version and how you start modeling the behavior of a 6- and 7-figure earner, and how you need to be showing up and what you need to let go of. This is the program that accelerates people. Now, if you want to accelerate, you want to be locking arms with me. I've got a red hot program right now that is going to help you. And the offer is limited to only 5 people. And if you are wanting to take this up, go to hangwiththequeen.com and start the process, and let's see if this is a fit for you, because I'm on a mission to serve and impact over 1 million women. And this program is the signature program that's helped thousands of women to win. So looking forward to seeing you, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.
The Consistency Queen, brought to you by the Queenie Effect and the Tech Company. For coaching options, please visit elsamorgan.com.